In my last video, I had shown you how to download and install WinStep Extreme version 12.2. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it and how to customize it. First thing I will show is how to change the theme of your WinStep Extreme. You can change the theme by just clicking the theme button right here and select any theme that you want. For example, you want this theme, what you're gonna do is just click it. As you can see, it automatically changed my dock themes, changed my taskbar, and it also changed my wallpaper. You can also change the theme of your docks individually. For example, I only want to change the theme of this dock, which is called dock number 2, by simply clicking this button, and this window will appear in your desktop. Go to docks and shelves, go and select the dock that you want to edit. Go to properties, go to themes, and go select the theme that you want. I like this theme, so I hit apply and press OK. As you can see, I only changed the theme of my dock number 2, while my dock number 1 is in blue theme. That's how you do it. That's how you change your theme, and that's how you change your dock themes individually. Now, you can also change the position of your docks in your desktop by simply clicking this button. You can select wherever position you want for your docks. For example, you can click to the left, and your dock will go to the left side of your desktop. You can change it to the right, top, bottom, and floating horizontal. Now, if you choose floating horizontal, you can drag your dock anywhere in your desktop, but I prefer it stay on the bottom. After that, just click apply and press OK. Now, how to add applications to your docklets. For example, I want to add Windows Media Player to my dock number 2. What will I gonna do is just drag it and put it to my dock number 2, and it will automatically appear to your dock number 2. So you can already delete this one. After that, I will show you how to customize the icons on your dock. You can do that by clicking the theme button on your dock number 1 and click more themes. After clicking this will automatically open your internet browser,
restoring window,
and take you to this link or site. In this site, you can download other themes, and you can also download these animated icons. You can download this by just clicking this link, and your download will automatically start. After you download the file,
minimizing windows,
you go to your download destination folder. This is the file that you just downloaded. Now, what you're gonna do is just extract this one I will not extract it because I already extracted it earlier, and I can now already delete this one. After that, what you're gonna do is cut this file and paste it any folder that you want. I will put it to my icons folder so it easily for me to find it. My icon folder is in here. Files, icons, paste. This is the animated icons that we downloaded. You can close this one now. Next step is right click to the icons that you want to customize. Go to dock properties, hit change icons, and browse to the folder where you put the animated icons. I put it in my icon folder. And choose the icons that you want. I'll choose media player because we will changing Windows media player. Click open, press OK. Okay. Now there you have it. Your new media player animated icon. Now if you don't like this taskbar right here, like I do, because I want my original Windows 7 taskbar to be my taskbar, you can just right click on it, go to preferences, taskbar, and just uncheck this box over here which says allow Nextstart to replace the Windows taskbar. Uncheck that, click apply, and press OK. Now there you go, my Windows 7 taskbar is back. And the WinStep text and the WinStep taskbar had been minimized right here. The last thing that I will show you is how to change the effects on your WinStep docks. You can do that by pressing this button once again. Go to docks and shelves. You choose the docks that you want to change the effects. Go to properties, hit effects, and under mouse over effects you can select any effects that you want. For example, I will change it to fire. Fire. Click apply, and you can test it. You can also combine effects by checking this box over here under the mouse over effects and click apply once again, and you can test it. And when you're done, just press OK and exit the windows. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.